Hi, welcome to this short exploration challenge information video on week 2 using AI in your classroom. So this week we are going to, very similar to last week, create a Google Doc with information generated by the AI tool, whether that's ChatGPT or Google Bard, this time specifically designed for the integration of that tool in your classroom. So your goal this week is to create a lesson plan, an activity, questions, writing prompt, partner activity, whatever it is that you think you could use in your classroom in the future. Feel free to use any of those ideas in that video from the reading at the beginning, or those 20 ways, or anything else that you have in this process. Pretty open and free here. The point of this is to use the AI tool to generate the material, the structure, the activities, the writing prompts, whatever it is you're going to use. And then we're going to copy paste both what you asked ChatGPT and the response it gave into this to sort of build a lesson. If you ask questions and you get responses you don't like, don't worry about including those. But we're going to just build a doc, and then we're going to link that doc here in box 1. So for example, I've got just a blank Google Doc here, and I've got a ChatGPT sequence up here that we looked at earlier. Maybe write a lesson plan. Let's say I like this. So I'm just going to come in here and I'm just going to copy this section that I liked for write me a lesson plan, and it's right there. So I'm just going to go in and I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste, right? And maybe in here we need to come in and kind of clean this up a little bit. And this is the lesson plan part, right? And whatever we want to do, just so I kind of know for myself, right? So this is the lesson plan part. Then also I did ask it, maybe I didn't like this one on the questions, but I did like this. I wanted the word problem. So then I can come in here and get my word problems and do the same thing. So I've got my questions there, maybe for myself, just so I know, like, that's what I asked it. There it is. That's what I asked it. So I can see what I asked and the responses I get. So I'm going to build that, and this is just a short version of that with my lesson plan, maybe some word problems, maybe a partner activity, whatever it is. Maybe it's a writing prompt. Hopefully you get the idea. But we're just going to copy paste that sequence of things in there so I can get some ideas for myself here. I've got my lesson plan. I've got those things that you might use in the future. Kind of a working document for you to do those things. When you're done with that, and you've thought about maybe those things, including kind of what you would teach in a block, things you would need, then make sure that you paste that and we share. So again, just as a reminder, we go up to share. We haven't named that yet. I'm going to switch the link to anyone with the link can be a viewer. Then I'm going to copy that link, and I'm going to come down here then, and where that is, we can go ahead and we can paste that link in there, and then it automatically is there, and then I should be able to see it. So again, kind of pick your lesson, pick your ideas, pick your topic, have that AI tool generate a lesson for you. Thanks.